Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you my latest gadget which I bought from the Netherlands. It did cost me a fortune, but this is a special device to spot spray plants. These are used to make virus infected plants for selection. So they use a herbicide like glyphosate and they put a coloring agent in it, and they just start spraying the plants like this. So the plant is marked with a red dye, so they know that this plant has been treated, and I can set how much herbicide I want to use. Now I set it to 0.5 milliliters. You can see it works nicely, and I just clean my hand. It's just a test, it doesn't contain any herbicides. I just want to show you how it works, because I always use personal protection if I use herbicides. So and this is especially good for perennials like this, because I can apply the herbicide directly to the plants and it won't harm the lilies. Because if a lily gets some herbicide on the foliage, it will die, not instantly, but it won't grow a bulb. And this should be avoided at all costs in my garden, to kill a lily. There are already enough pests and diseases in a garden, so this weed, which looks like a thistle, it's actually one kind of thistle. It's called Cirsium arvenza, and it's a common perennial weed in Hungary, and it has a root very deep in the soil, like it can go down to 3 to 4 meters deep, and it will resprout these plants from the roots if I just cut it out. So this is just a small demonstration, but it works very nicely. Now I have to get back, get protection, and put the real weed killer out. So thank you very much for your attention. If you like my content, you can always like and subscribe and leave a comment, and see you next time. Goodbye.